Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are new to these videos, my name is Tim Foster and this is my studio, Fostering Movement Studio Incorporated. We are beginning to launch our social media platform again, and what you will notice as you begin to see some of the videos that they are designed pre-pandemic, which means you'll be seeing videos where there are no masks. But what we want you to understand is that Fostering Movement Studio is dedicated to the welfare and the health of our clients, which means when you would be coming into our studio, there are some protocols that we are now following today. The first one being that everyone needs to be wearing a mask when in the studio. Secondly, we are working very hard to keep social distancing, which means the studio is designed now where there are workstations, where clients and their instructors can be separated from each other. We also like to do that with scheduling, in the concept that different clients with different instructors are scheduled, some on the hour, some on the half hour, that way nobody is crossing paths and we can keep the distancing going. We are also making sure that we clean the studio well, which means that after each client, we will sanitize down all the equipment that was used. It will sit for anywhere from a half an hour to an hour so that it fully gets disinfected before another client would use it again. Again, these are the things that we are incorporating here at Fostering Movement Studio, including now, most recently added, an air purifier that works for both particles as well as aerosols. So we would like to let you know that we are very, very serious about the welfare and the health of our clients. So again, this is Tim Foster. Welcome to the studio, and we hope that everyone stays safe and healthy. Thank you so much.